Hey guys, I'm Rishabh and welcome to Soberish. With the coronavirus lockdown, the Dalgona Coffee is trending on everyone's Instagram. So I thought, why not add some alcohol to it? Damn! For making a Boozy Dalgona Coffee, I tried various combinations of different alcohols to get the perfect mix, but none of them made the cut except this one, which I'm going to try in front of you right now. So, for the Boozy Dalgona Coffee, first of all, start with the normal procedure of making the Dalgona coffee. Take about 2 tablespoons of coffee, 2 tablespoons of sugar, and 2 tablespoons of hot water. So now you have to whip it till it becomes creamy. This is going to take some time.
A few moments later. One eternity later.
Further to the alcohol and the easy part. Just take a tall glass, add ice. So once you've poured the ice, take about 20 ml of vodka. Come behind, it's milk. So once this is done, come behind with about 30 ml of berries. And mix the whole thing up again. So once you're done with this, just add your cream which you whipped earlier. So now our Boozy Dalgona coffee is ready. Now I'm just going to garnish it with a little bit of chocolate on top. So before you get on to drinking this, don't forget to click some pictures for your Instagram because this just looks amazing. If you like the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Cheers.